Social exchange theory introduced by Gilbert C. Holmes in the 1055 explain how the relationship upbringing operate on the balancing reward like support or status and the cost such as time and income. Key elements include trust, which fosters cooperation and reduces conflict, loyalty, which strengthens both during challenge, and the reciprocity, which ensures fairness and the mutual respect in the team. Trust, reliability, loyalty keep everyone unique, and the reciprocity promotes support and the motivation. By focusing on this principle, team can create a positive collaborative environment where everyone thrives. The surveys with the 61 respondents showed that 63.9% were female, indicating higher female participation. Most respondents were age 21 until 23, making up 55.7%, followed by 37.7% age 18 until 20, while smaller group were age 24 until 26 and 27 and above. In terms of the race, 85.2% identify as Malay, 11.5% as Chinese, and 3.3% as another, with no Indian respondent. For education level, 68.9% had a bachelor degree, 27.9% a diploma, 3.3% were master student, and none were pursuing a PhD. Descriptive statistics were collected from 60 respondents via Google Form. To analysis group were accepted based on social exchange theory. The mean score for the cooperation in the teammate CIT was 3.90 with a standard deviation of the 0.58, indicating moderate variation. Trust T and loyalty L both had a mean of 2.29 and a standard deviation of the 0.82, showing high variance due to the different experiences and the issue within the team. Reciprocity R had the higher mean of the 4.28 and the lower standard deviation of the 0.54, suggesting strong reciprocal action among group members. These findings reflect a varying dynamic in the teamwork based on the cooperation, trust, loyalty, and reciprocity.
The result of the sample t-test indicate high level of trust, loyalty, and reciprocity among respondents towards their teammates. For our statement, the t-value are significantly high with p-value less than 0.001, confirming a substantial difference from the difference value. For instance, question 1 related trust show a mean difference of 2.333, while question 4 related to loyalty has a mean difference of 3.494, indicating strong positive response. Similarly, the analysis of reciprocity reveals a high mean difference of 4.393 for confidence in teammate support, emphasizing the perceived fairness and balance in teamwork. The result supported by 95 confidence intervals demonstrate and reliability of the findings. The t-test of normality, including the Kolmogorov, Smirnov, and Shapiro-Wilk tests, were conducted for statement on trust, loyalty, and reciprocity among teammates. Both tests showed significant values of less 0.01, indicating that the data for all statements deviate significantly from a normal distribution. With a sample size of 19 respondents, tests are sensitive to small deviation, which can highlight non-normal data but may also reject normality for minor variation that are not practically significant. This result emphasizing the need for careful consideration of the data non-normality when interpreting the finding. The analysis show a moderately positive and significant relationship between cooperation, intimate CIT, and reciprocity, with a p-value of less 0.001. In contrast, the relationship between trust and reciprocity is very weak, with a correlation value of negative 0.023 and non-significant p-value of 0.429, indicating almost no relationship between these two variables. The analysis is based on the sample size of 19 for each pair of variables.
Let's analyze the reliability of survey item using Crunchbase Alpha, a measure of internal consistency. Crunchbase Alpha range from 0 to 1, with higher value indicating better reliability. Generally, a value above 0.7 is considered acceptable. The results show 4 sets of items with alpha value of 0.613, 0.613, 0.655, and 0.768. The set with a value of 0.768 demonstrates good reliability, indicating the items effectively measure the intended concept. The set with value of 0.613 and 0.655 show moderate reliability, suggesting that some items may not review or refinement. Overall, this finding emphasizes the importance of evaluating and improving item consistency to ensure reliable and valid results. This slide analyzes a regression model examining the relationship between two independent variables L and R and the dependent variable CIT. The coefficient for R is 0.684, indicating a strong positive and statistically significant relationship with CIT, p-value less 0.001. In contrast, L has smaller coefficient of 0.039, has is not statistically significant, p-value equal to 0.594. The model's R-square value is 0.434, meaning 43.4% of the variation in CIT is explained by L and R. The adjusted R-square value of 0.381 adjusts for the number of predictors. The ANOVA table shows the model of statistically significant F statistic equal to 19.183, p-value less 0.001, indicating it fits the data well. The Durbin-Watson statistic is 2.470, suggesting no significant autocorrelation in the residuals. Overall, R is a key predictor of CIT, while L is not, and the model provides a good fit for the data. This slide examines multicollinearity diagnostic for the dependent variable CIT using eigenvalues, condition indicates, and variable proportion dimension. One has the highest eigenvalue 2.941 and a condition index of 1.000, indicating no multicollinearity issues. However, dimension 2 with an eigenvalue of 0.052 and a condition index of 7.553 and dimension 3 with an eigenvalue of 0.007 and a condition index of 20.286
7. Suggested potential multiplicatory problems. The variance proportions show that 91% of the variance for a variable L is linked to dimension 2 and 93% of the variance for R is tied to dimension 3, with a constant contributing 97% to dimension 3. This finding suggested that some predictors may be highly correlated, potentially affecting the model's accuracy. Addressing multiplicatory is crucial for ensuring reliable regression results. Of social exchange theory highlight the importance of trust, loyalty, and reciprocity in building strong group relationships. Among these, reciprocity stood out as the most significant factor in pacing fairness and mutual support. While trust and loyalty show some variability, often influenced by past experience, reciprocity had the strongest positive impact on teamwork, fostering cooperation and productivity. However, some students face challenges with trust and loyalty which effectively. This finding shows that fostering reciprocity is a key to creating a supportive and successful teamwork environment, offering valuable strategies for improving collaborative and mutual success.